Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, roof rack, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.